If you're looking for something fun to do indoors in Dunedin, especially for a birthday party or family night, we just experienced Monster Mini Golf during their private creator night, and I'm going to show you exactly what it's like and whether it's actually worth it for families. I'm SheMamaMaps, helping you travel smarter, not harder, and bringing you Florida staycation ideas for you and your family. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can get our weekly updates on things to do in Florida with your family and ways to travel smarter, not harder. This is Monster Mini Golf in Dunedin, Florida. It's completely indoors, which if you live in Florida, you already know that's a huge win in the summer or during one of those random rainy afternoons we have. They have glow-in-the-dark mini golf, an arcade, a laser maze, and even a VR experience. And tonight was their private creator event night, so we got to experience everything in a smaller crowd setting. If you're a parent trying to find something different to do with your kids or a party venue option, this could be on your radar. Okay, let's talk about the actual mini golf course. It's fully glow in the dark with black light art everywhere. The walls, the obstacles, everything just pops. Yeah. I will say some of these holes are harder than they look. I'm going to go ahead and say this is great for probably ages 6 and up. So note that younger kids could still play, but they might need help. For tweens and teens, they'd actually have fun here. The course isn't huge, but it doesn't feel rushed either. It's a good balance. You can play casually or you can get competitive if your family is like that. I'm not naming any names, but we had some in our group that took this very seriously.
Pulls that way. I think I'm already at 6. Sheesh. A little bit of touch.
As you can see, I'm not one of them. Clearly, my mini golf skills make that very obvious. They also gave all the creators and their guests a $5 arcade card, which was a fun add-on. If you've ever been to an arcade, you know $5 goes fast, but it's enough to try a few games and get the vibe. The arcade is more of a bonus feature here. I wouldn't just come for the arcade, but paired with mini golf, it rounds out the whole experience. Now, the laser maze was actually one of the most hilarious parts. The goal is to get through without breaking the beams, and let me tell you, it's way harder than it looks, and it's another thing that I'm not that good at, especially when trying to film for content. This attraction is actually pretty cool, and it's really great for older kids or teens. It adds something different other than just mini golf. I think this might be the first time I've actually been inside of a laser maze. They also included a VR session for each of us to try. Here is a little bit of that, which obviously it's VR and it's totally fun. You feel like you're inside of it. If your kids love gaming, they're gonna love this part. Again, I see this being a huge hit for birthdays or friend groups, especially for tween and teen age groups. Okay, so let's talk about birthday party potential, because as a mom, that's immediately where my brain goes. So they definitely have some party areas, and that's where they set up our creator event with some refreshments and food and popcorn. It's indoors, it's structured, kids are occupied, and you don't have to worry about weather. So that's a win. Try some food. Yeah, some snacks. I think this would be totally ideal for kids anywhere from ages probably 7 to 13 years old. Younger kids might need a little bit more help. Older teens might prefer something bigger for a birthday party space, but that middle range, this is perfect. Come with me. Look at this. If you're in Dunedin, Palm Harbor, Clearwater, Tampa, St. Pete, anywhere in Pasco County, this is definitely an easy option to keep in mind. So here's my honest take. If you're looking for a massive entertainment complex, this isn't that. But if you want something fun, manageable, indoors, and different from just going to a regular park or restaurant, this checks the box. It's especially great during the summer heat or rainy seasons. I would come back for a family night or to attend a birthday party. If you love discovering family-friendly things to do in Florida, especially local hidden gems, make sure you subscribe. I post weekly travel and family adventure content to help you travel smarter, not harder, and have more fun doing it. I'll see you in the next one.